Hi, this is Jay Weiss, and I'm talking to an expert about what you do in a burn area using beekeeping to help bring things back. And so we're going to find out from one of the experts. And this is, what's your name, Brett?
I'm Brett 80 with 80 Honey Farms.
All right. Okay.
Well, Jay, I thank you for asking me, and I think the question is, what bees can we get on the landscape to help the plants come back fastest? The managed honeybee, I think, is ideal for a tragic situation where we've lost a lot of our cover, and we have some seeds that are inoculated by fire, and they're going to do really well. But those plants are going to come up, and they're going to need to make some fertile seed. And we've lost a lot of the indigenous bees there, either European originating stock or the wild stock. And so to bring bees back on that landscape to help those surviving plant seeds germ and start rebuilding that landscape, I think is a critical thing. In time, some of the more indigenous may come back, but right now it's critical to get those plant seeds, the surviving plant seeds, germinated so they can make the next generation and start rebuilding that landscape so we don't have huge erosion and mudslide issues.
Is there programs that we could use for historical data or something that we can talk to? I would imagine the county, the agricultural department in the area. Who would we talk to from a city or county level? And again, historical information.
Yeah, that's kind of beyond my scope of expertise. I'm just primarily work on keeping bees, but I think the thing to do is visit with your extension people at the universities and visit with your bee clubs and work with your land managers that are in charge of the public space land, if it's Forest Service or it's State of California, and tell them you want to help preserve that property. You want to get the plants that survived and the seed that survived, germinated so we can rebuild that beautiful landscape we had before.
Cool. Well, that's a good start. I appreciate your experience and knowledge, and thank you very much, and we'll see you next year.
All right, very good. Thank you, Jay.